Hello and welcome back, crocheters. Today we're going to learn how to do the half double crochet. This is another beautiful stitch that when mastered will allow you to make a lot of really wonderful and simple projects like blankets, pillows, scarves. The good news is that if you feel comfortable doing the single crochet, the half double crochet will be a breeze because the two are almost exactly the same. If you do not know how to do the single crochet, go ahead and watch my video linked below teaching you how to do the single crochet. But for those of you who are ready to get started, let's just jump right in. Just like the single crochet, we are going to start our half double crochet with a chain. So go ahead and chain 12 stitches for me, and I'll meet you back here when you're done. All right, so here we have our 12 chains, and we're going to jump right in and get started. Like our single crochet, we are going to put our hook through the chain, pull out yarn, and form our stitch. We are going to hold the fourth chain from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where our llama is going to bite. Our hook is going to go into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. So we're skipping 2 chain spaces in order to make our half double crochet. Check that your hands are in the right position. That means you are holding your hook like a pencil between your thumb and your pointer finger. You are resting on your middle finger, or if you need to, you can use your middle finger to help guide your hook. Your llama is biting the fourth chain on the hook, and your llama ears are pulling back the string. When your hands look like mine, we are going to be ready to begin. So just as a quick reminder, to do a single crochet, we poke into the chain, pull out of the chain, leaving us with 2 loops on our hook. We are going to wrap, bite, pull through 2. That was a single crochet. Let me show you the half double crochet, and I think you'll understand what I mean when I say they're almost the same stitch. So I'm going to make sure I'm biting the fourth chain, and I'm getting ready to put my hook inside of the third chain. Before I put my hook inside of the third chain, I'm actually going to wrap first. So I can wrap just like this, or I can let go and wrap. Remember, when we wrap, we are wrapping from behind and towards our body. And the llama is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Double check to make sure that your hands look like mine. So I wrapped. I'm going to poke into the third hole, pull the yarn out. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to wrap again, bite the loops on my hook, and pull through all 3 loops. And congratulations, you have just completed your first half double. Let me show you how to do that again. We're going to move our llama back a space, and now we're going to put our hook into our 4th hole. We're going to wrap, poke in, pull out, move our llama's mouth, wrap, pull through 3. We're going to wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move our llama's mouth, pull through all 3. Reset our hands. We're going to wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move our llama's mouth, pull through all 3. Wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move our llama's mouth, pull through all 3. Reset your hands, wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move your llama's mouth, pull through all 3. Wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move your llama's mouth, pull through all three. Let me show you the other ones a little bit closer. We're going to wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all three. Reset my hands, wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all three. Wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all three. Now I am at the end of my row. I have 10 stitches on, I have 10 stitches in my row. Remember that I chained 12. I skipped 2 stitches and put my hook into the 3rd stitch. So now I have 10. I'm ready to turn my project around, but before I turn my project around, I have to make sure that I chain 2. This is a little different than the single crochet where I chained 1 and turned around. For the half double, I must chain 2 and then turn around. So remember, my chain is that I wrap from behind, I take my llama, I pull through 1, move my mouth up, wrap, pull through 1. So here I have 2 chains at the end of my row. I'm going to flip it around, and I'm going to start the next row. Just like with my single crochet, I'm going to put my hook into each of the spaces between my stitches on this first row. You can see that there is space in between each, but if you're having trouble seeing exactly where to put your hook, you can go ahead and turn your project to its side, and you should see these V's right here. You're going to put your hook under the 2 legs of the V. So let's go ahead and do that together. I'm going to put my hook into this first space here. I already created 2 chains that I'm going to skip, so I'm going to grab the second hole with my llama's mouth, pull back, double check to make sure my hands are in the right position. I'm going to use my middle finger to help me, and I'm going to wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all 3. I'm going to wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama, pull through all 3. Reset my hands, wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all 3. Reset my hands, wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all 3. Reset my hands, wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all 3. I'm going to reset my hands, wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all 3. Reset my hands. I'm going to wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all 3. Reset my hands, and I'm going to wrap, poke in, pull out, wrap, move my llama's mouth, pull through all 3. So as you can see, it's almost exactly the same as the single crochet, with just that one twist in the beginning. And hopefully that one change in the beginning doesn't confuse you too much. You should be able to pick this up very quickly. So here is your half double crochet. New crocheters usually pick this up very quickly because it's so much like the single crochet. If you are having trouble, you might want to just double check where your hands are, because that's the most common mistake that I see. Our hands are not positioned right. So remember, double, triple, quadruple check that your hands are positioned properly. Another area that new crocheters have trouble with is not knowing exactly where to put their hook. Then you end up with skipped holes or multiple stitches in one hole, but that's okay. It's part of the process, and with time, you're gonna develop an eye for where to put your hook. Just remember, new crocheters, that it takes practice, patience, and perseverance in order to figure these things out. So be patient with yourself, relax. If you are a little bit lost, go ahead and watch this video again as many times as you need to until you can figure it out. I have linked below common mistakes that new crocheters make with the single crochet. A lot of those mistakes are true for the half double crochet also. So if you are still finding it difficult to do this stitch, go ahead and watch that, and maybe some of the things that you are doing are going to be mentioned in that video. But of course, if you have any questions, please make sure you leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Well, crocheters, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. If you like this video and you want to see more, please be sure to like and subscribe. I'll be seeing you again in our next video to learn how to do the double crochet. All right, bye.